Mike Hughes here. I'm at the Dive Bus, and I'm at Curacao with Susie. And Susie, you want to tell us what is the Dive Bus?
Sure. So we're kind of like a dive boat, except we have a bus or two buses. Like you can see right here. We just drive small groups of divers around on guided dives around the island. Nice, small, fun, relaxed groups.
How small are the groups, or how big do they get?
Well, it can take 6 or 8.
Right.
And then a lot of people starting now with our new offer with the trucks. You can drive your own truck too, so you can follow along in the bus. You can do your guided dives with us. And then afterwards, we can take all your empty cylinders back and you can carry on and do some independent dives.
Okay, and this is what the truck looks like?
Well,
love your product.
no, it's not
Objects
quite as
appear.
funky as this.
And a little bit bigger than that too.
Slightly bigger, yeah.
Okay.
Size matters, doesn't it?
Well, sometimes I guess,
Yeah.
especially if you're going to a dive site.
I've heard that.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's kind of nippy, this one. It's very cool.
Okay, and so you just put all your gear in the back, and do you just meet the people at the dive center, or do they come to your hotel, or how do we do that?
Yeah, come to the dive center.
Okay.
They check in the day before usually, and then tell them what to do, where to meet us.
Okay, and if they want to get more information about the dive bus and or how to get a car or the truck to go behind the bus, where would they go online?
Thedivebus.com.
Divebus.com.
Oh, that was too difficult.
Yeah.
Thedivebus.com.
Yeah.
I think I got that.
We're big on Instagram, Facebook, all that kind
Well, you're
of
big
stuff.
on the pictures too, I noticed.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much.